Ever drilled into a wall and hit absolutely nothing? Yeah, we've all been there. Finding a stud shouldn't feel like a guessing game. In this video, I'm breaking down the 10 best stud finders, covering detection depth, accuracy, ease of use, and value, so you can finally hang things the right way, first time, every time. Let's get into it. Number 1. Franklin Sensors M210 Stud Finder. The Franklin Sensors M210 is the kind of tool that makes you wonder how you ever lived without it. It packs 13 precision sensors into a wide scanning head, letting you detect stud edges and centers in a single slow pass. No guesswork, no re-scanning. The live stud width display is a genuinely useful touch that sets it apart from basic models. With a detection depth of up to 1.7 inches and powered by standard AA batteries, this thing is built for real work. It's accurate, fast, and extremely reliable across different wall types. If you're a serious DIYer or a pro, this is hands down one of the best tools you can own. Next up, the Jax WQ Stud Finder Wall Scanner. And this one punches way above its price tag. It can scan up to 5 inches deep, which means it handles thicker walls, tile over drywall setups, and even older homes with no problem at all. The LCD screen is clear, and the audio alerts make it easy to scan without constantly watching the display. It covers 3 detection modes: wood studs, metal pipes, and live AC wires, making it a genuinely versatile tool. The rechargeable battery is a nice bonus, so you're never hunting for AA's mid-project. For a budget pick with serious depth, it's a strong contender. Number 3. Prexiso Stud Finder. The Prexiso Stud Finder is a smart little scanner that keeps things simple without skimping on performance. It features smart auto-calibration, so you spend less time fiddling with settings and more time actually working. The backlit display reads clearly in dim spaces like garages and unfinished basements. It detects wood studs, metal, and live wires across multiple depth ranges, and the rechargeable design means it's always ready when you need it. This is a great pick if you do frequent home improvement work and want something reliable without paying professional tool prices. A solid all-rounder. Coming in at number 4, the Mercurit Stud Finder Wall Scanner is a no-fuss option that gets the job done for everyday home projects. It detects studs, metal, and AC wires with a detection depth of up to 1.5 to 2 inches, which covers most standard drywall situations just fine. The LCD display and audio beep alerts give you clear feedback so you always know what's going on. It runs on a 9-volt battery, which is easy to find anywhere, and the controls are simple enough for first-time users. It won't win any awards for deep scanning, but for basic wall mounting and hanging tasks, it's reliable and affordable. A dependable budget pick for home DIY. Halfway through the list, and this one's all about value. The Stud Finder Wall Scanner offers deep scanning up to 5 inches, intelligent sensor calibration, and an HD display. Features you'd expect to pay more for. It handles studs, metal pipes, and AC wires across a wide range of wall types. The rechargeable battery keeps things convenient, and the detection performance genuinely matches more expensive models on standard drywall. It might not carry a big brand name, but the specs speak for themselves. If you're budget conscious and still want serious depth, this is worth a close look. Number 6. Craftsman Stud Finder. The Craftsman Stud Finder brings that familiar, trusted brand reliability to a feature-packed scanner. It reaches up to 4 inches deep and uses center-finding technology to pinpoint exactly where to drill. No more measuring from the edge and hoping for the best. The build quality feels solid and durable, just like you'd expect from Craftsman. It detects wood studs, metal, and live wires, covering all the essentials for home projects big and small. Battery-powered operation keeps it simple, and the brand's reputation for durability is well earned. If you want a name you already trust on your tool belt, this one delivers. Next is the Pavlin Stud Finder Wall Scanner, a feature-rich option that's hard to beat at its price point. It covers multiple detection modes, studs, metal, and AC wires, with a clean LCD interface and warning alerts that keep you informed throughout every scan. The rechargeable design means one less thing to worry about on a project day. The multi-depth scanning capability and portable build make it easy to carry from room to room. It may not have the brand recognition of some others on this list, but the features are genuinely competitive. A great pick for value-focused DIY ERs who don't want to compromise. Number 8. Foli Stud Finder Wall Scanner. The Foli Stud Finder Wall Scanner is a clean, no-nonsense tool with an upgraded sensor system that improves on basic budget models. It sports a digital display and covers all 3 detection modes: studs, metal, and AC wires, with simple, easy-to-use controls. Battery-powered operation keeps it straightforward for quick jobs around the house. It's especially well-suited for homeowners who just need a reliable scanner without the learning curve. The affordability makes it an easy grab for occasional use, and the upgraded sensors help reduce false readings. A solid, affordable all-in-one for light home repairs. Number 9. Zircon Stud Finder Wall Scanner. The Zircon Stud Finder is a classic for a reason. It's been in homes across the country for years and keeps earning its reputation. The standout feature is the wire warning safety alert system, which warns you about live AC wires before you drill anywhere near them. That one feature alone has probably saved a lot of headaches. And fingers. It scans up to 1.5 inches deep, which handles standard drywall well, and the one-button operation makes it dead simple to use. It's compact, battery-powered, and doesn't try to do everything, just the essentials, and it does them right. A trustworthy, safe choice for basic wall mounting. Closing out our list is the Franklin Sensors ProSensor M90 Stud Finder, and it's a fan favorite for good reason. 9 integrated sensors give you wide area detection that shows stud edges and centers in a single pass. No calibration required, ever. Just press it to the wall, slide it across, and the LED lights tell you exactly where the stud is. Detection depth reaches up to 1.5 inches, which is perfect for standard drywall, and it runs on AAA batteries that last a long time. The simplicity is the point here. No modes to cycle through, no screen to read, just instant reliable results. If you want a precision stud finder that's as fast as it is accurate, the Franklin Sensors ProSensor M90 is a simple favorite. And that wraps up our list of the best stud finders. If I had to pick 2 to highlight, the Franklin Sensors M210 is the pro-level choice, and the Jax WQ is the best budget deep scanner. Check the links in the description to grab yours. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a video from Tools Query. Which one caught your eye? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone.